beauties, welcome, what's popping? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So these are the nails that I'll be doing for today's video. I'm really excited to show you because there's a lot going on, but it's so simple. But if you want to see how I did them, please continue watching. So the four colors that I'll be using for today's video is Jazzy Blue, Ultra Blue, and Orchid Purple, and Blueberry from the Mia Secret. So if you guys have watched my previous video where I was doing this method, it's very convenient. It's another alternative if you don't want to do tips, or even if you don't want to do forms, even though this is a form method, but it's very convenient, very easy. It's like a mix of the two, if you understand what I'm saying. It's with tips and it's a form, so it looks like a tip, but it's a form. I don't know, it's not like I'm complicating stuff, but yeah. So what I'm doing right here is that I'm applying the acrylic into the form. I want this to be very moist as possible because I don't want it to dry, because you know that once acrylic mix, it then tends to start hardening. So I'll go in very moist, working very quickly, and then applying it to the nail, holding that for at least 30 seconds to about a minute, depending on your speed of your acrylic or your liquid. Then I went under the nail, ensuring that the acrylic is not touching the tip of my nail, because that's a whole other work. So after that is done, I will go ahead and clip off the tip of these forms because I didn't like how they were looking. So I went. So this is optional. You don't necessarily have to do it. If you're going for a longer method, that's quite fine. So after I'm done doing that, I will then go in with clear at the tip. If you guys realize that I did not go close to the cuticle, because the forms tend to give you spills over the cuticle area, and I really do not appreciate it. I've learned my lesson. I recently did a client just like this, and I applied the dual form too close to our cuticles, and it took me some time to remove it. So after that is done, I care cap the rest of the nails, and then I'm going with the marbling aspect of this video. So now I'm taking the different blues. So there's not wrong or right way, it's just wherever my hand leads me, that's the color that I'll be using. So I will use all the colors on each of these nails, but they're not the same. They don't have the same pattern, despite the fact that you guys can barely see what's going on because it was so dark. I tried to turn up the exposure and the brightness, and it's not doing justice, but it turned out good. I mean, the focus was not so much on the marbling, but I wanted to incorporate the blues that I did have. So after I did this, I'll do this on each of my fingers, and then when I'm done, I will come in and show you guys that I use the foil. So when I use the foil, I realized that I was not recording, and I really wanted to add this part to the video, and it was not recording, so that was a bummer. And then after that, I went in with some chunky glitters. They call it the mylar glitters. I think it's the mylar glitters, which gave it life to the nail. And I enjoyed every aspect of doing these. Even though it looks complicated, it is not complicated. It's very, very easy. And actually, somebody requested this on TikTok. I actually don't mind when persons request these type of videos, because I kind of somewhat do feel important. Not that I'm important, but I feel accomplished. Yeah. So somebody requested this on TikTok, and I said it might as well that I do a video doing these nails, because to be truthful, I did not know exactly what I was going for, but I kind of winged it and it came out great. She loved it, and I also love it, and I hope you guys do love it. So what I can appreciate about using the Mylar glitter is that it shows a different hue on the nail. You have the purple here, you have the lighter blue here. It gives you a different vibes. So now that I'm done with all of that, I'm going in with clear, capping each of these nails. So I have run into some butt clear. I've never run into some butt clear before. I have 2 containers, kid you not, literally full. I recently bought this clear acrylic here, and it wasn't mixed properly. I don't know what was going on. I don't know. And it had like white particles in it, and it just threw off the entire nail for me. So I had some good clear left over, so I decided to cap the rest of the nails in it. So that's all for this video. Literally doing the marbling, adding, and then capping the nails, and then filing. Just about that. So I just want to tell you guys about, my festivity. Christmas is coming up. I usually do this thing where you call nail mask. It's so similar to Vlogmas. I kind of did get the idea from Vlogmas, where I try to vlog each day. I don't know how that's going to work out. I don't know if I want to do the 12 days of Christmas, or I just want to stick with my thing of nail mask. I think I am leaning towards my nail mask. Let's see how that goes, because sweetie, like, I have a busy schedule. I don't know how this year is going to be, because we just don't know. So if you guys want to see what's going to happen for nail mask, subscribe, stay tuned, because it's going to be a hot mess. It's going to be a hot fun mess, so stay tuned. I'll be doing lives, hopefully. I'll be doing creative stuff. I can't wait for it. I'm already ordering a bunch of stuff from Amazon right now. Hopefully I can get to order them, the others. Like, I am on the verge of ordering some gel polish in the container. So let's see how that goes. So after that is done, now I am going to file these nails, and after I file these nails, I'm going to top coat, and then I will show you guys the reveal. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, because these nails were simple, and if you guys agree with me, then like this video and comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, that is Instagram and TikTok, at Bare Beauty Services. And if you want to see like recent, like before it gets on YouTube, you definitely can follow me on TikTok if you don't like long videos. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy, because I did. And don't forget to subscribe. Once again, I don't know why I like to tell you to subscribe 100 times just before I go. And I'll see you guys in the next video.